Okay, this is our familiar collision exercise. Let's add a clock. This is the clock right here. You click and click again. I guess I didn't get it. You click there, and there's your clock. Make it a little bigger so you can see. You can put it off screen or off stage, or you can leave it on stage. You'll see what it looks like on stage. What we want to do here is say values. We're going to give our users 8 seconds. And if they don't answer in 8 seconds, something's going to happen. The thing that's going to happen is we're going to display some text. So I'm going to make a new text item, drag it out here. I like calling things proper names, so we'll call that failure. That's not what text will be displayed on the screen. That goes under values, text styled. There we'll write the positive message, you have failed. And that should be displayed when our user fails. Now right now it's already displayed. Why? Because we haven't cloaked it on run yet. So we go to visibility, cloak on run, and set that to true. Okay, so now all we have to do is make it so when this clock ends its cycle, this text displays. How do we do that? Well, that's an out of clock, and it's a trigger. And there it is, called cycle done. So we drag our wire, we hover here on top of you have failed, we go to in display show, and we let go of the wire. So right now when this clock expires, this text will display. But there's one other case, which is the user actually successfully completes the task. Then we don't want time to continue running. So that should make the clock pause. So we come to this item and we say, well, what do we know about this guy already? We know he's got a drag and drop and a collision target. The drag and drop is the real success marker here, not just that he's close. So I'm going to move this a little bit out of the way to not drive ourselves crazy. When we are successful, when we drop on the oval, let's drag a wire and let's make that pause the clock. Okay? And the pausing of the clock, I believe, goes under in, do, there it is, pause. And again, you can drag to either side of that ribbon. So I think we're all set, except for one thing, which is we need the clock to start by itself. So I believe that will be a properties, action, auto start. So we set auto start to true. Okay, so now let's run and see what happens. If I don't do anything, I get the failure message. Alright, let's run again, and this time I'll try real quick to, I might not win this game. I failed again. One more time. There we go. And I get right to San Jose, and the clock stopped. So we're successful. What I should do to make this more meaningful is wire some other thing like a success message from that same drag and drop success ribbon. But there we've done it. We've added a clock to our exercise.